Here's the candy cane wreath that I made for Christmas. I didn't get a chance to show you my DIY, but I'm going to try to recreate something similar to this with the heart-shaped wreath that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I just want to show you this up close. I think it came out really pretty. I added lights and the silver glitter and a couple picks that I found in this little guy that I made. So I'll be back with my heart-shaped wreath. I'll show you how I do it. I'm back. Today I am going to try to make this heart-shaped wreath. So what you need, Dollar Tree DIY Valentine heart wreath frame and some garland and a set of 20 count white lights. And so I don't have my scissors in front of me, so I'm going to use this knife to take this off. And take this off. Hopefully the garland will be long enough. So what I'm going to do first is put the lights on. See if they go all the way around the frame. So I'm just going to start at the here at the end. I'm just going to wrap them. Get my cords tangled up here. Okay. Just going to keep feeding this through till you get it wrapped all the way around the heart. And I think this will be enough lights for this project. Hope everybody is doing well. And right here, Mr. Teddy Brown in the background here. He's mad about something. I'm just going to keep feeding this through. Get all the way back around to the other side. Kind of spread the lights out so they're even. And we gotta leave enough so that it will reach my plug of where I want to put it. So we got the lights, spread it out. I'm sorry, y'all. He's just a barker. Okay. Teddy. Okay. I think I have the lights pretty much evenly spread out for this. So the next thing you need to do is add the garland. So the same thing, I'm going to start at the end, here at the end of the wreath. Okay, because I didn't like how it looked with the full garland, I only put a few pieces on to fill in some of the gaps from the Dollar Tree garland. So let's see how that works. Okay, this is what it looks like completed. I ended up filling in with the plain red garland and then taking the Dollar Tree garland to fill in the gaps because it wasn't enough to do the entire wreath. So I think it looks pretty without the lights on, but we're going to turn the lights on so you can see. So there it is with the lights. So you can adjust it how you want it. I usually try to put the lights a little bit behind the garland, but I think it came out cute. And it's a quick and easy DIY. And some of the lights are sticking out, but just adjust them back out or into the wreath so they just show a little bit. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.